Hello and welcome to Inside Pico's Kitchen. Today I'll be making crab mac and cheese. This is my budget-friendly take on the more popular and significantly more expensive crustacean infused dish, the lobster mac and cheese. Now let's start by prepping our veggies. I'm going to dice up about 1 cup worth of shallots. I much prefer shallots to onions here because we're going for something on the fancier side. Smash, peel, and mince 4 cloves of garlic. And dice up 1 red bell pepper, which goes very well with the crab and some of the other richer flavors here. Now I'm going to sauté my veggies first in a large saucepan with half a cup of unsalted butter. You're going to need the larger cooking vessel here because you're going to make the sauce in this pan as well. Cook the vegetables until they start to get some color, then flour the pan to make your roux with about 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Cook the flour until it starts to smell like pie crust. Then add 1 cup of white wine, or in this case, dry sherry. Cook the alcohol out of the wine, and then add 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of half and half. Stir the dairy into the roux, getting rid of any lumps. For the crab, I'm using 2 6-ounce cans of white crab. You can use fresh if you want, but I like the canned for this because I like to add the liquid that comes in the can to give the cheese sauce more crab flavor. Stir in the crab, and now it's time to add our cheeses. Add 2 cups of sharp cheddar, 2 cups of Monterey Jack, and 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, and stir it into the cream. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of black truffle salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper to the sauce. Mix and you're ready for final assembly. Pour your crab and cheese sauce over 1 pound of boiled al dente elbow macaroni in a large baking dish and mix till thoroughly coated. Top with a sprinkling of tarragon, smoked paprika, and panko breadcrumbs, and bake in a 350-degree oven until the topping is browned and crispy. I cannot begin to describe how good this smelled while baking, and the crust turned out buttery and crispy, and the richness of the cheese and crab made this one amazing plate of food. Garnish with some chopped green onions, and that is crab mac and cheese. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and let me know with a comment if you decide to try it yourself. Please like and follow this channel. Stay safe, eat well, and before I could even take a picture of the plate, my roommate who helped me make this video snagged my product shot. Till next time.